Dorothy Armbrust.
David Armbrust.
I do sewing and I help him outside once in a while when he needs me. They're handmade by me. And I use FR thread, cotton, everything is cotton. And sometimes it takes a day to get a couple, 3 done. Sometimes you can get more done in a day. If I have it all cut the day before, it takes a good day to cut. I wash it and press it out so that it's not wrinkled. So it does, for shrinkage reasons. So it doesn't shrink on people. Because that would be the, I don't like that, because you know, if they buy this stuff, and if they wash it and then it shrinks and then they don't got nothing. I just don't approve of that. And I do embroidery on them. Especially to make America great again. That's gotta happen. So much friction that didn't even know that there was that much fighting going on till now. I think he's doing a good job, and things probably would be even better if they would leave him the hell alone. Comes up with an idea, well, they knock him on his butt. Well, that's not, and the way they talk about him and call him names, man, when we grew up, if we said one name against the president, you went to jail. And now what's this?